it's so important. Our responsibility, in a sense, those of us that have a kind of greater awareness and kind of level of understanding and insight, we really need to keep our vibration high and kind of stay in touch as much as we can with the joy and the creativity and the gratitude. Remember, gratitude is very high vibration, and this isn't. It's not to kind of it's not that we don't acknowledge the difficulties and the challenges and the struggles, but we really focus on the self-care and the stuff that does bring us joy, that will help us turn our vibration around. And so as we go through the day, every day, if we notice that we're kind of sinking a little bit, maybe our mood is sinking a little bit, our thoughts are a bit negative, that we do something, we think, okay, what do I need to do right now to shift this, to turn it around? And we can do that. You all have enough life experience and skills and tools to be able to consciously turn that around, and that will serve you, and also importantly it will serve the collective.